Hey, everybody. I wanted to hop on here really quickly. I'm just kind of finishing up my notes for the Freedom from Fear and Anxiety Masterclass or workshop. And I wanted to just share with you something that has really helped me in my journey of overcoming fear and kind of peeling back the layers of, okay, what's physical, what's emotional, what's spiritual. And that is the truth that God desires to partner with you in your healing, which means He's not leaving you to figure it all out on your own or go through all of this guesswork to get to a solution or an answer. He's always ready and waiting for us and ready to help us. You know, it says that the moment that I call, He's like a good father on His way to answer me. And so that means, when we're having issues in our physical body, our emotions, our spirit, our mind, what have you, He is always ready and waiting and eager to partner with us in our healing. So during this masterclass, I'm going to be walking you through how to identify what's a physical issue in our body, what things contribute to physiologic feelings of anxiety, what can contribute to anxious thoughts in our mind, how to differentiate that from the demonic realm. And these are going to be essential keys, essential tools that you need to walk free from fear and not just overcome it and get rid of it and close the door to it, but keep that door closed and even allow your, other family members to walk through that as well. So, but I wanted to leave you with that nugget today that a huge part of that overcoming is actually just learning how to partner with the Holy Spirit and even asking those questions of, is this a mind issue? Is this a body issue? Or is this a spirit issue? And then learning how to distinguish His voice. So I'm going to be walking you through all of that. If you have not registered yet, you can go ahead and click the link in my bio. The masterclass is free and I cannot wait for you to join us.